Hey guys, welcome in a quick review for the PowerWash Simulator 2. So it's a relaxing and satisfying game. Much better dirt visuals, shine effects, and also water effects. Unlimited soap that is actually worth using now. And also new nozzle types and improved washer feel. So you have adaptive nozzle, surface cleaner, and upsell kit. Old nozzles can be sold, progression feels more meaningful early on. So then the cons, multiplayer. So you couldn't just connect lobbies. It's like desync, lag, soft locks, items glitching out. So that's something you have to be aware of. Maybe like random crashes. So multiplayer. Then no key rebinding. And also technical problems. Like game sometimes crashes when quitting. Clunky or buggy features. Sometimes like absolute rig often filling you off. Scissor lift sometimes gets stuck. And also the balance issues, like soap is strong early on, that trials some jobs. Last washer, try the nozzle makes most other others also relevant. But other than that, it's a great game. So that's like quick pros and cons of it. Have a great day and goodbye.